Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Zurich Invest Night, and we are here in Zurich for your Commodity TV. And with me here is Ingrid Hibbard, the CEO of Pelangio Exploration. And of course, we want to get an update as we spoke the last time in November last year. Ingrid, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Perfect. I hope you too. And
yes.
even we had a rainy start here this morning, but I think overall, things for 2019 look much better in the gold sector, hopefully. But you guys were pretty active since we were talking about. I think you did 8 acquisitions in Canada?
Yes.
So
we've had a really good 5-6 months here. Mm-hmm. So we've done a corporate acquisition of a private project generator. And so that brought with it 8 new properties in Canada. Mm-hmm. So now we're building up our Canadian side. You know, we had our big properties in Ghana. We had the 284 square kilometers mm-hmm. beside the Obuasi, and then the 100 square kilometer project at Manfo mm-hmm. that has a resource on it. Now we're building up on the Canadian side as well, mm-hmm. so that's really exciting.
But you're still pursuing Africa?
Oh, of course,
yeah,
yes.
Of course.
No,
Good.
Those are our sort of real anchor projects.
Yeah.
So now with the Canadian projects, we view it that we have 5 core projects. Mm-hmm. 3 in Canada are the Birch Lake project. Mm-hmm. That's 25 square kilometers, and it's had previous drill results of 34 grams over 10 meters. So that's pretty exciting. Gold, of course, yeah. Gold.
That would be silver, we would have a problem, probably.
Exactly. Although with those corporate out of the project generator, there are a few projects that are joint ventured out that are copper cobalt. Mm-hmm. So it's expanding our reach as well. So anyway, back to our core projects. There's the Birch Lake, yeah. And then we got 2 very interesting properties in the Timmins Camp. Now, the Timmins Camp is one of the historical camps in Canada. You know, it's huge producers. And one acquisition is called Dome West. We're mm-hmm. going to be drilling it starting in April. Mm-hmm. It's located 800 meters from the Dome pit. So there's a great picture showing us standing on our property, and there's the mill right there in the background. So that's very exciting. So it joins both the Dome and an old producer as well. So we're excited about the potential. And there's been very little work. It was one of those pieces of ground that have been tied up and had no work for 50 years. Mm-hmm. So it's just a little piece left unexplored right in the center of the Timmins Camp. Mm-hmm. The other project is Dalton, which is also in the Timmins Camp, and it's 1.5 kilometers from the Hollinger. The Hollinger is a 19 million ounce mine, so we're very well located, and that one we're going to be drilling in the summer. Uh-huh. So it's been a very exciting period.
Super. So that sounds like you guys are pretty busy and active in 2019.
Oh, it started off with a bang. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So how much money you want to invest in 2019, and meaning what are the drill plans altogether?
Well, the first thing is, as part of that corporate acquisition, it came with 8 properties and $550,000 in cash.
Nice.
Exactly. And $150,000 worth of securities, which have increased in value since then. Mm-hmm. And we'd also done a raise. So we've got roughly 100 and some in the bank. Plus we did a little bit of flow through, which you can do in Canada. It's that tax advantageous financing. Mm-hmm. So because it's so inexpensive to be drilling in downtown Timmins, we're probably only going to be spending $200,000 mm-hmm. and be able to do drilling on both those properties.
Mm-hmm. Fantastic, great. So now we have spoken a lot about Canada. What are the plans for Africa?
Well, this year Africa is going to be more target generation, so we're not going to be spending a whole lot of money there. Mm-hmm. We're going to be sort of honing in on some of the targets that we already have mm-hmm. to get them a little closer, narrow the targets. Okay. Yeah, so there's not a lot of money to be spent there, mm-hmm. But still key projects. So that's probably more of a 2020 where we'll be really active there.
Okay, super. So overall, what is left in the bank by now? Because you said you did the financing, so you're well financed for 2019.
Oh, right? Yeah. So we've got a little bit over $1 million left in mm-hmm. the bank right now.
And that's enough for 2019?
That's enough for 2019.
Super. That's important. So I would say keep the drills turning and get us some good news from your drillings, because I think you have some very prosperous projects here.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're looking forward to 2019 and and 2020.
Super, perfect. And we talk again about that very soon.
We'll talk soon.
Thank you very much, Ingrid. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, there was a short update from Ingrid Hibbard, the CEO of Pelangio Exploration, and you heard it, they did a perfect deal in Canada. They bought a prospect generator with 8 properties, even over $500,000 came with that in cash, which always helps. And the reels are turning. They are getting more and more active in Canada, of course, and also doing some work in Africa this year. So 2019, things are moving. 2020, even more. We keep you posted. Check out the company. Thanks for watching us. Bye-bye from Zurich.